Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello kids, I am Binesh. Welcome back to my channel, Kids Zone. I hope you all are doing well. As you all know, we did vocabulary of letter A, B and C, and today we are going to learn vocabulary of letter D. And the sound of letter D is D. D. What is the sound of letter D? D. Repeat after me, please. D says D. D says D. Dog, dolphin, duck, donkey, and deer are different. So you all have to repeat after me. Let's start. Dog, dolphin, duck, donkey, and deer are different. Very good, students. Let's move. Wow, here is a doll and a drum. So let's read. Doll is dancing on the drum beat. Let's read again with me. Doll is dancing on the drum beat. Doll is dancing on the drum beat. Very good. Now, door and desk are dirty. Repeat after me, all of you, please. Door and desk are dirty. Door and desk are dirty. Doctor, dentist, and driver are on duty. Repeat after me, please. Doctor, dentist, and driver are on duty. Again, doctor, dentist, and driver are on duty. Doctor, dentist, and driver are on duty. So let's revise them. These are all words which are starting with letter D, and its beginning sound is also letter D. D, dog. Say it with me. D, dog. D, dolphin. D, dolphin. D, duck. D, duck. D, donkey. D, donkey. D, deer. D, deer. D, dole. D, dole. D, dancing. D, dancing. D, drumbeat. D, drumbeat. D, door. D, door. D, desk. D, desk. D, dirty. D, dirty. D, doctor. D. Doctor. D. Dentist. D. Dentist. D. Driver. D. Driver. D. Duty. D. Duty. I hope you all are understand these all words. Thank you so much.